Hey guys, this is Digvijay Singh Chauhan from Presidency University. I have participated in the IEEE CMRIT contest, that is Webinar, and in that specifically this is 3D modeling. So this is my 3D design. Basically I've been working in this project from since a month. So this is the models which I have prepared. They're basically three 3D models of three different cart with a basic what you tell aesthetics with it. So this is just a 3D outline designs of the cart where all the three are almost similar except just these bumpers are different from each other. As you can see, there are three different types of bumpers in front, and other than that almost everything is similar as you can see in the video. And especially we are looking in the design, you can see different aerodynamic structures. So basically which is the more streamline and which is more aerodynamic, that will be used as of now. And as you can see, I have you had to design it all the 3D way, so you can see the base also, and these are almost at the exact dimensions. And very first you were supposed to design this as it is highlighted in the maroon purple lines. This is called as base chassis. This is the skeleton of the go-kart. Whenever you design a go-kart, it has to be the first thing which has to be measured and made it very accurate so that it can put on the all the weight, and it should be strong enough. Later, the major part in this is the battery location. So the battery location here, as you can see, the orange bar inside it. As I'm marking in the arrow, this orange bar is the main battery, where the battery will be placed at that position. So at that position the major weight will be there, because with that itself there'll be a motor with it. So all that designing and the measurements are accurate. And the seat allotment is also very important in the design, because you have to see this the length from the seat to the brake. That is very important, because if it is short or it is long, it will be very uncomfortable for the driver to drive it. So guys, this is a basic 3D modeling design made by me, so you can view this and the what do you tell the website or the software which I'm using this to make this is Tinkercad. This is kind of a basic 3D modeling web page or software which can be used by the new generation students, because it is kind of easy and it is fast to make a reliable 3D design with the accurate measurements. So as you can see, there are three models and all are having the same measurements, and this is a go-kart. Thank you.